For the repair of the Alfa Laval OP board and I/O board, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we use 24-volt DC power supply and we connect the OP board to the I/O board. As soon as we turn it on, the unit reacts and the screen lights up. The error message is due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that the Alfa Laval boards are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the client.